Hey everybody, Megan Stevenson here. We just got back from one of our favorite restaurants to get dinner, and one thing that I had to do was tip. So that's something that a lot of our students have to do at EGTI, and oftentimes it's something that they haven't had to do before. So I am going to show you in this video how to use a tipping app so when you go to a restaurant, you can tip by yourself.
There are a lot of different tip apps that you may find. So for this example, we are going to show you the tip app that we use when teaching students about tipping. You can see here in the top left corner, the tip calculator. So you're going to click on that. Now, this is where we would encourage you to talk with family to discuss what tipping percentage you and your family feel is an appropriate amount. Everybody has different thoughts on this. For the example today, I have mine set for 18%. Now, you can press on that little dot. You can move it to where it's higher, or you can move it to where it's lower. I'm going to stop it at 18%. My bill total is $33.03. So I'm going to put that up here in bill total, $33.03. You can see the tip is $5.95, making my total $38.98. Tip is $5.95. My total is $38.98.